Hi everyone, and welcome to another TreePlotter inventory tutorial. In this video, we will be talking about service requests, so let's get started. The easiest way to create a new service request is to click the Request button on the upper right-hand corner. This will open up a new window with the service request form. Fill out as much as you can on this form, including the primary complaint, any comments or photos you would like to include in your request, and the address of the tree or closest to it. If you're unsure about the address, you can use the glow button located right here to click on the map, and TreePlotter will auto-populate the address fields for you. When you're ready, hit Next. We can now link our service request to a particular tree. Since we're only working with a single tree in this example, make sure you go with Point from the drop-down options for Method and click Select. Click on the tree that corresponds with your service request, and this will link the two together. When you're done, hit Submit. Let's look at how to update service requests and keep track of their progress. Administrators will be able to update the status and priority after the request has been submitted. Make sure you're looking at the service request layer by verifying that in the legend. Next, click on the service request point, and then Details. The administrative section contains the fields that only the administrators can populate. The more information you provide, the better informed you and your crew will be. If you want to view all the changes that have been made to this request over time, click on the Tracking tab. This will not only display all the changes, but will also allow you to add additional notes. Finally, let's go over how to add a service request to a work order. Open up the Details form of a service request if you don't already have it open. Click on the Work Order tab, and let's add a new work order. You can either add the service request to an existing work order or create a new work order. When prompted if you would like to create new work records, click Yes if you know specific work needs to be done. Click No for now, and you can always add work records in later. Make sure you click Yes when asked if you would like to zoom into this newly created work order. This will automatically open up the work order details form. You can be as detailed as you want here. Click on the Service Request tab and notice that this is the original service request we started off with, now linked with the work order. Next, click on the Work Records tab. This will show you any records associated to that particular work order. You can add additional work records now or at any time to the work order. Check out our work order videos for additional help on creating and managing your work orders. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more training videos coming soon.